water, a new golf course. You say obstacle course. Okay. It's kind of shady here. We don't have.
Outside right now.
We are outside right now. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So what we're going to be doing today is a pool noodle obstacle course. So Brantley and I are going to be doing that. All you need are these pool noodles. I got these from Dollar General. They were $1 each. And you need some pencils. I just got these ones. These were 50 cents each. And I just sharpened them. And we're gonna be using these to stick in the end of these pool noodles. So the pointy part of the pencil is going to go into the ground, and then the eraser part is going to go into the end of this. So it's going to stick into the ground like that, and then the other end, you know, it's going to bend like this, and the other end will stick another pencil in there into the ground.
Just keep watching. Lay on your belly, lay on your belly, lay on your belly, cool, down on your booty, lay on your belly, cool, good job. Jump over that one. Can you jump? Woo! Jump in each of those. Woo! Good job. You want to do it backwards? Hi, Nana.
Mark.
Yeah.
Get ready. Get set, go! Woo! Under, under, under. Jump over. Under. Woo! Go under. Good job. Yay! thanks guys for watching. We hope that you liked the video, and it was just something that was really easy to do with the kids, and it's quick and it's fun and it keeps them occupied for a really long time. So we had a lot of fun doing it. Check out our last video of Brantley and I making tie-dye shirts with squirt guns, and I also have some gardening videos up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed them, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that way you know the next time that we make a video, YouTube will notify you. Okay, subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
Say hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.